this is Rachel from Married and May Designs. I'm starting a new blog series where I give tips and tricks for using Adobe Illustrator. I know when I first started in graphic design, especially utilizing Adobe Illustrator, I just went for it. Trial and error was my best friend until I realized there are lots of great resources out there on Pinterest boards, YouTube videos especially. So it's inspired me to create a few beginner tips and tricks. Today I'm going to focus on how do you save a JPEG file in Adobe Illustrator. It ironically took me quite a while to figure this out because I was not quite sure how to do it. So let's dive right in. I already have my Adobe Illustrator open. I use CS6, but this tip will work for other versions as well. As you can see, I have my project open. I'm actually working on an advertisement or Etsy listing at this time. Just using, a lot of people use styled stock photography. This is actually not a styled stock photography. This is just a picture I took personally, and then I just upload my graphic design onto it. This will be part of the blog series, so a little sneak peek. So when you go into Illustrator, you've designed your template. If you go to File, and if you go to Save or Save As, you're going to notice that the format you can save it in is Adobe Illustrator. It's an AI file. It gives you an EPS file, that's also known as a vector. PDF is very popular as well. But as you can see, there are no options for like a PNG file or what we're needing, a JPEG file. So in order to do that, you're going to go to File, and you're going to select Export. Okay. Now you can see that we're going to have more formatting options. We have bitmaps, PNGs. Here's our friend for the day, JPEG. I would highly suggest using the Artboard, and what that means is, if you can see my illustration that I've made in Illustrator, I just want it to do the circumference of this picture. Notice that this is my Artboard right here. I do have some icons outside of my Artboard, like this yellow pick up 8 different dates. I don't want to include that in there. It's outside of my Artboard, so when I click on Use Artboards, it will only save what's inside my Artboard. I'll click Export, and I'm actually going to change where I save it to. We'll save it to the desktop. You can name it whatever you want. We'll name it Tutorial. Click Export. This is really cool. I can change my color mode from RGB to CMYK. I can also change my file size. I like where it's at. I like my resolution. I'm going to click OK. And once it's done exporting, we will minimize this screen. And here we go. I have a JPEG now. Ta-da! Okay guys, hope this helped. If you need more tips and tricks, please visit my YouTube channel or visit my website, which is www.marriedandmaydesigns.com. Bye guys!